Hey there, here are a few of the basics that we always use when working in the bush. First off, gloves, hat, long sleeve, long pants and sturdy shoes, just to keep us safe. Next off, we have some of our equipment. We have a bag to put in the weeds, and then here are some of our tools. We have knives for crowning out weeds like this. Next off, our trowel. This is for leveraging things or digging. As a demonstration, I've got this little lamandra here which I'm going to plant in this spot that I've just vacated. The trowel also comes in handy when trying to release the plant from the pot. The best way to do it, short sharp tap on the top, should make the plant come out nice and easy. Let's see that again. Whoa, bit of a jiggle, there you go. So the last tool in our tool belt are our seckies or secateurs. We don't usually use these too often, but in this situation, just to afford our plant a little bit more breathing space as it gets established, I'm going to use it to just trim back a few of these branches from this really fast growing acacia.